Let's try another measurement problem involving ratios. So imagine you took a picture of you and a monster, and the question here is, how tall was the monster? Now you took a picture here and you know that you are, we'll just assume, we know that you in real life are 175 centimeters tall. However, when you took this picture and you actually measure the picture, you, according to the picture, are only 2.2 centimeters tall. So the question is, how tall is this monster in real life? So what we can do here is, according to the picture height, we're just going to use a ruler, and if you measure it, we're just going to say this is about 7.3 centimeters. Now clearly the monster is not 7.3 centimeters tall. You yourself are 175. So we have to set up our fraction correctly. So we want to solve for x, which is the height of the monster. Now find x, and know the answer is not point. Here it is. That's not the answer. We need to actually find and solve x as a value. So what can we say here? Generally, it's nice to put the unknown on top. X over 7.3 is equals to, and this x value happens to be the real value in real life, 175 over this picture measurement, which is 2.2. You can multiply both sides by 7.3, and so what we have here is we have x is equals to 175 over 2.2 times 7.3 is approximately 580.7 centimeters. And when you look at this picture, if you're 175, this here looks like 580. Sounds about right. Now it doesn't really matter if you set up your ratio this way either. If you wrote 7.3 over x is equals to 2.2 over 175, we would have ended up with the same answer. This is fine. You can cross multiply and solve for x as well. So the key for these questions is to set up your ratio correctly, as long as you make the same type of measurement both on the numerator and the other type both on the denominator will be fine. So in this case here, the 7.3 and the 2.2 refer to the actual picture measurement using a ruler. These are the ruler measurements in red, whereas the real measurements were in black here. So as long as mentally you're keeping the numerators the same type of information and the denominators the same type of information, we should be fine.